How to connect custom domain to Lovable AI. If you've purchased a domain from a registrar other than the mainstream ones like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Hostinger, you can still connect it to your Lovable AI using their custom domain feature. So you're going to start by logging into your Lovable AI account and selecting the site you want to assign the domain name to. Now, once you do that, you're going to go over here to publish, click on custom domains, and here you're going to click on connect domain. So once you do that, you're going to make sure you're going to have the upper plans and you can add your domain from here. And do make sure that your domain provider has a cPanel where you can set your DNS to a custom DNS, okay? Because without that, this will not connect. And moreover, you can also buy a domain through Lovable, but again, on the upper plans. So once you purchase the domain and connect it to the DNS host of Lovable AI, you should be good to go. So that is how you're going to be connecting a custom domain to Lovable AI in the easiest and most simplest way. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.